This is how we started, and this is how we finished. Hey, this is Ross from ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Just finishing up a job today. This color is Shadow. So I'm in Trinity Woods. This is only the third house that's actually being occupied. Third family to move in. They're moving in now. And we were lucky. They chose ProTech Epoxy Floors to do their floors. They had heard good things about us. Just happy to report. And they trusted us with their project. So this is a full chip job. And the chip color is Shadow. We're getting just a little bit of edge, a little bit of sun on the edge here. So you can see that sparkle, the whole garage will sparkle like that. Thanks for watching.
ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. ProTech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.